Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Phillips. I was hoping to take a moment to read a story with you today. I have one of my favorite books, Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. This book is written by Doreen Cronin and pictured by Betsy Lewin. Farmer Brown has a problem. His cows like to type. All day long he hears click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo. At first he couldn't believe his ears. Cows that type? Impossible! Click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo. Then he couldn't believe his eyes. Dear Farmer Brown, the barn is very cold at night. We would like some electric blankets. Sincerely, the cows. It was bad enough the cows had found the old typewriter in the barn. Now they wanted electric blankets? No way, said Farmer Brown. No electric blankets. So the cows went on strike. They left a note on the barn door. Sorry, we're closed. No milk today. He doesn't look very happy. No milk today, cried Farmer Brown. In the background he heard the cows, busy at work. Click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo. The next day he got another note. Dear Farmer Brown, the hens are cold too. They'd like electric blankets. Sincerely, the cows. The cows were growing impatient with the farmer. They left a new note on the barn door. Closed. No milk, no eggs. No eggs? Cried Farmer Brown in the background. He heard them click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo. Cows that type. Hens on strike? Who ever heard of such a thing? How can I run a farm with no eggs and no milk? Farmer Brown was furious. See him running up the hill? Farmer Brown got out his own typewriter. Dear cows and hens, there will be no electric blankets. You are cows and hens. I demand milk and eggs. Sincerely, Farmer Brown. Duck was a neutral party, so he brought the ultimatum to the cows. There he goes with the note the farmer wrote. The cows held an emergency meeting. All the animals gathered around the barn to snoop, but none of them could understand moo. All night long, Farmer Brown waited for his answer. Listening in. What do you think? Are they going to get blankets? Duck knocked on the door early the next morning. He handed Farmer Brown a note. Dear Farmer Brown, we will exchange our typewriter for electric blankets. Leave them outside the barn door, and we'll send Duck over with the typewriter. Sincerely, the cows. So if Farmer Brown gives them blankets, they won't write him any more notes. Let's see. Farmer Brown decided this was a good deal. He left the blankets next to the barn door and waited for Duck to come with the typewriter. Oh, they all look snuggly and warm now. The next morning he got a note. Dear Farmer Brown, the The pond is quite boring. We'd like a diving board. Sincerely, the ducks. Click, clack, quack. Click, clack, quack. Clickety, clack, quack. Uh-oh. Seems like he's not getting his typewriter back. But the ducks got their diving board. I hope you enjoyed reading this story with me today. I look forward to reading with you again soon. Remember to be good listeners to your moms and dads. Bye-bye.